Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Manoranjan Show. Today I am going to solve the assignment 5 of solutions programming in Python of January and April 2025 sessions. It is week 5. Now we are going to solve these questions. You can see guys, assignment 5 January 2025 you can find near about how many questions? Near about 10 questions, and we will attempt the 10 question one by one. So let's start the first question here. How can a string be defined in Python? Okay. How can a string defined in Python? First one is single quote is correct. Second one is also correct. Using the triple quote is correct. All of the above. So the all of the above, that means the above can be defined in Pythons. Okay. So one option D is the right answer. Moving to the question number 2, that is, what is the purpose of the format function in Python? The purpose of the format function is Python to format a string with a specific alignment or precisions. Specific alignment or precision. Then moving to the question number 3, what is the index of last character in a string of length n? What is the last character? Last character means n minus 1. Last n minus 1 is the last character. Okay. So 3 option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 4. What operator is used to concatenate of two strings in Python? Concatenate means joining of two strings. That is called plus operators. Plus operators is used to concatenate of two strings in Python. Okay. 4 option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 5. What does the code plus equal to operator do when used with string? It appends a string to another strings. Okay, 5 option C. It appends a string to another strings. Moving to the question number 6. What will be the output of the following code? Text equal to hello, print text 6 equal to 1. So 6b, okay, it starts E. Okay, from 0 to start, it will be 0, 1, that is called E. Okay, 6 option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 7, what will be the output of the following code? Okay, what will be the output of the following code? That is structure SPYDER 1 to 4. That is PYD, P, Y and D, PY and D. Okay. 7 option A is the right answer. Moving to the question number 8. How does the upper method in the Python? Upper method means to convert all the lower to uppercase. That means convert all the characters of a string to the uppercase. That means capital letter. Okay. Converts all the characters string to a uppercases. 8 option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 9. That is, what will the output of the following code is Python programming print text dot split. Okay. It will divide the two strings separately. That is, first one is Python's and second one is programming. Okay. 9 option B. First one is Python, second one is programming. All the strings will be quoted in a inverted. So this one, okay. Moving to the question number 10. What will be the output of the following code? Text equal to hello world. Print text and with double quote. Okay, this is true. Okay, it is a 10A. Is it true? Okay. So now I'm going to submit the answer of this question. Okay. Now I'm going to submit the answer of these questions. Yeah. Thank you for your answer are successfully submitted. Okay. Successful assignment submission date is this one. Thank you for taking the assignment. Okay, guys, is successfully submitted. Once again, I would like to verify the answer. 1 question number D, 2 question number B, 3 question number C, 4 question number B. Yes, 5 question number C, 6 question number B, 7 question number A, 8 question number B, 9 question number B, and 10 is question number A. Okay, now successfully attempted all the questions and we completed assignment 5, and very soon we are going to produce your assignment C, that is introduction to list. Okay, so you can also prepare for your exam very well, and if you have any doubt or any comment, you can put your query in your YouTube comment box. Okay, till then, thank you for watching my video. Bye.